Today I'll be showing you how to make the Little Mermaid birthday cake. Hey guys, welcome back to RiRi Creates. Like I said in the beginning, I'll be showing you how to make this Little Mermaid cake. If I can do it, then so can you. So let's get started. To make the cake more stable, I'll be using ganache to fill between the cake layers. Now let's carve the cake, but only taking off small amounts each time. Fill in any gaps with ganache and then coat the rest of the cake. Now cut a hole in the top of the cake so that the Little Mermaid can go inside after we finish topping it with ganache. I let the ganache dry before putting on the second coat, and I put on the coat rough so that it gives it some more texture. Dust with cocoa powder for a more 3D effect. Wrap Ariel with cling film so that we can put her inside of the hole that we made earlier. If your hole is not deep enough, just cut out some more cake and then you get to eat it. Now let's make Ariel's tail. Once that's done, we're going to wrap it around her body so that it looks like she's sitting on a rock. I'll be using a straw with a part of it cut off so that it looks like a semicircle, which looks like scales. Now roll out some fondant to go around Ariel's waist. To make the bottom part of Ariel's tail, I use wafer paper sandwiched between rice paper. I'm using gel food colouring with some alcohol to colour the wafer paper, then I'll flip it and do the other side. Now I'm using a steamer to shape the tail. If you don't have a steamer, it's alright, you can just use a kettle because it will do the same thing. Now place the tail by putting some ganache on the cake and pressing on it firmly. To make the waves on the bottom of the rock, I used royal icing, coloured it blue, and then placed it on with a spatula for more definition. I'm adding more blue to the icing so that it doesn't look as flat. I made some edible sea moss and I'll link the video I used to make it down below. While I'm waiting for my waves to dry, I add all the little details to the cake and I use this mold to make some of them. Off camera, I made Sebastian because it wouldn't be the Little Mermaid without him. But I'm not even gonna lie, he did take a bit long to make because he was fiddly and he's quite small. So if you want to see how I made that, then just drop a comment down below and I'll make a tutorial on it. Now let's make the water look like it's moving by adding some white gel food colouring. Here's my Little Mermaid cake. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the tutorial of my Little Mermaid cake. And don't forget to put in the comments down below what you would like to see me make next. And until next time, bye!